to advertise your Shopify store. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to advertise your Shopify store. So without further ado, let us begin. So let's say you are now done creating your online store on Shopify and now you want to advertise your Shopify store. So a way that you can advertise your Shopify store is by advertising them in social media. So for example, you can advertise your Shopify store on TikTok or Instagram. But before we move on to the tutorial, I just want to let you guys know that you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at only $1 per month. So I will leave a link in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website, and by doing so, you also support the channel. So yeah, let us now start. So the first thing that you can do in advertising your Shopify store is by creating a TikTok account. So from here, you can upload videos about your products on your TikTok account. But if you want to advertise your TikTok videos, what you need to do is just go to this website right here, ads.tiktok.com, and then from here, what you want to do is to create an account. So after creating an account, you'll be redirected here. So it will ask you, how would you like to create your ads today? So if you want to do the basic one or the advanced one. So in the basic, everything you need to create ads for your business in just a few steps. While for the advanced, all the advanced features and tools for any advertising objective. So feel free to choose which one you want to use. So for example, I'll just use the basic one right here. And then there you go. So after that, it will ask you, what's your advertising goal? So there are plenty of options right here that you can choose. So first one is traffic. So send more people to a destination on your website. Next is community interaction. So get more page follows or profile visits. Lead generation, gather contact information for potential customers. And website conversions. So drive valuable actions on your website. So for example, I'll just choose traffic right here and then just click on continue. And then after that, it will now ask you for your audience. So broad targeting is the best solution for most advertisers. So TikTok automatically optimizes delivery to find the best audience based on your objective. So optimizations will not include users under the age of 18 in the United States. So you may benefit from demographics and interests and behaviors targeting, but we recommend testing that they outperform broad. So in this section right here, you can now customize your audience. So from here, you can select the location and where you want to advertise your ad, the demographics, so the gender, age, and languages, and the interests and behavior. So from here, you can now edit all of these out. So for example, I'll just try to edit out location. So for example, I'll try to include some other countries. So let's say I want to include the United Arab Emirates, let's say Thailand, Singapore, and let's say Indonesia, and then there you go. And then from here, we can now change the demographics. So depending on your store, you can change the demographics on which it is targeted to. So you can change the genders, the age, and the languages. So I'll just leave them be. Next are the interests and behaviors. So from here, you can include interests related to your product. So for example, you can just type in any category that you want here depending on your product. So for example, if you're selling tech and electronics, you can choose cell phones, computers, and a lot more. So I can just click on check for the tech and electronics. And then there you go. So as you can see, it is now added to my interests right here. Next is the behaviors right here. So people who've carried out the following interactions with videos. So from here, you can choose video related actions like watch till the end, liked, commented, and share. And you can also select a time period to include actions from. So you can also define what kind of videos they've interacted with. So for example, I'll try to enter something here. So again, I'll just try to enter something related to technology. There you go. And then let's try to add some video related actions. So let's say watch till the end, liked, commented, and shared. And then we can also select a time period to include actions from. So let's just say 7 days. And then once you're done customizing your audience, you can now click on continue. And then after that, it will now ask you to set a budget. So feel free to set a budget to anything you want. So the higher the budget, the more people that will be viewing your ads. And then you can also set dates right here on when your ad should run. So you can start running your ad now with no end date, or you can set dates if you want to. And then under budget right here, you can customize the budget if you want it to be a daily budget or a lifetime budget. And then after that, click on continue. And then after that, it will ask you what creatives do you want to use. So if you want to use a TikTok post or a video. So for example, I'll just choose a TikTok post right here. And then it will now open your public videos from your TikTok account. So you can choose what kind of videos you want to advertise from the videos that you have uploaded in your TikTok account. So as an example, I'll choose this one right here. And then I'll just click on confirm. And then there you go. So after that, you can now edit the details of your ad. So you can change the ad name. You can also change again the video or the ad. And then from here, you can also input the display name, the text related to your video, a call to action, the URL of your website, a profile image, and a lot more. And then on the right side right here, you will get to see a preview of your ad. And then when I go to the right side over here, you can add more videos to your ad. And then once you're done, you can now click on submit, and then your ad will be created. So yeah, that's how you make ads in TikTok. So another thing that you can do in advertising your Shopify account is by creating ads on Instagram. But before we move on creating ads on Instagram, I just want to remind you guys that when you can get free access to Shopify for 3 days, followed by 1 month at $1 per month only. So again, I will leave a link in the description below, which will take you directly to the Shopify website. And by doing so, you'll also support the channel. So for example, when I click on select a plan right here, all these 3 plans right here will only cost you $1 per month. But if you don't use the link down in the description, these plans right here will cost you $19 for the basic, $49 for the Shopify plan, and $299 for the advanced plan. But again, if you use the link down in the description, these 3 plans right here will only cost you $1. So yeah, let's go back to the video. So what you want to do is to go to your Instagram page if you have one, but if you don't, feel free to make one. And then after that, what you want to do now is to make your Instagram account into a professional account. So to do that, what you want to do is just click on more right here, go to settings. After going to settings right here, there will be an option right here that will allow you to turn your regular Instagram account into a business account. So when you enable the professional account, you will have additional options right here that you can use for your Instagram page. And then you'll also get access to business tools and controls. So let us start by creating a simple ad. So when I go to my profile right here and then just click on ad tools, you'll get to see right here that I can create an ad. So in creating an ad, just click on create ad, and then from here you can either upload your own ad, like editing a photo or video, or you can just choose a post that you have made in your Instagram page, and then you can use that as an ad. So as you can see over here, boost content from profile. So you can turn a post, story, or reel from your profile into an ad. So for example, I'll just choose this, and then just choose the post or reel that you want to set as an ad. Click on next, and then there you go. There will be options right here that will ask you on what you want to do with your ad. So the first question will ask, what do you want to do when they see your ad? So visit your profile, visit your website, or message you. So since it will be boosting your Shopify store, I really recommend is to visit your website. So when you click on visit your website, it will now ask you to enter your website URL. So just enter your Shopify store page right here, and then you can also choose a call to action button. So just choose shop now since we are advertising a Shopify store page. Moving on is we can now create our target audience. So you can either just choose the suggested audience, or you can create your own. So when you click on create your own right here, you can specify the locations, the interests, age, and gender for your target audience. And then lastly right here is we have the budget. So you can enter any budget that you want right here. So the higher the budget, the higher the reach. And then after that, you will need to input your payment methods so that you can run your ads. And then once you're done, just click on boost post, and then now you have created an ad on Instagram. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to advertise your Shopify store.